How to install Cinema HD on mobile phone. So if you want to install Cinema HD on your mobile phone, then you can open up your Play Store or your App Store and make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have a stable internet connection, then you can just simply search for Cinema HD. And if you have the application of Cinema HD, then you just need to simply tap on the application and you can go with install, which is on the right side. But if you don't have the application on your Play Store or your App Store, then you can go with your Google or your browser, anything that you're comfortable with, and search for Cinema HD, and here you will have the application. So you can just simply go with the Cinema HD APK download, which is right here. Tap on it, and to install the application you can scroll down a bit, and here you will have download the APK version. So you can simply choose the version. You can choose the beta version, stable version, or the old version or latest version, anything that you're comfortable with, and just simply tap on download. And once the APK has been downloaded, you can tap on the file and then you will be able to install the application. So that's how you can install Cinema HD on your mobile phone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.